Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice dispenser auger motor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice dispenser auger motor. This ice dispenser auger motor is located inside the ice maker compartment behind the mounting plate in the left side French door. The ice dispenser auger motor dispenses the ice from the ice bucket on demand. If you don't see any ice cubes in your cup and you can't hear the auger motor running, check the ice dispenser auger motor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side French door. Now I'm going to unlatch and open the ice door, and then I'm going to remove the ice bin. Lift it up and pull the bottom out. Next step would be removing these 3 Phillips screws and loosening up this one on the top. Using a Phillips screwdriver. And then we're going to move to the screws. So we're going to pull the sole panel at the bottom out. Slowly let it go down. And we're going to expose this plug. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to press down this locking tab and disconnect this plug. Alright, let's bring this assembly onto the table. And next thing would be to remove this coupling. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to unscrew that. Remember the position it's now. It's almost perfectly vertical. Or if you look this way, horizontal. I'm going to take out this Phillips screw and pull off the coupling. Yeah. I'm going to remove these 2 Phillips screws out using a Phillips screwdriver. That's going to be number 2. And now I'm going to turn this assembly over. I'm going to hold with my fingers the auger motor because it's loose now. Turn it over. Now I'm going to take out this Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver. That's a green ground wire. I put it aside. Then I'm going to remove all these tapes one by one. I'm going to pull it off. I'm going to pull out this motor. And I'm going to take the tape off. Free the harness. Okay, now we're going to disconnect this plug. I'm going to press this tab here and pull it apart. This is the old ice dispenser auger motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install this auger motor assembly. And I'm going to pull the harness And I place this harness into the channel. And I'm gonna put this tape on. Continue with the harness. And now I'm going to plug it in. Make sure it's locked. And tape it over. We're going to secure the ground wire to the motor chassis. And I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, get a single screw. We're going to tighten it, make sure it's tightened good. Need a good connection. And then I'm going to turn it over, and we're going to secure this auger motor assembly. Alright, so I'm going to support this with one finger, and I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to match these two holes here. And I'm going to install this screws. And I'm going to tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, and now we're going to install this coupling. Press it on. And I'm going to secure it with the screw on the top. It's a Phillips screw. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it. So let's lift it up. Now I'm going to install this assembly back in. I'm going to start with plugging it at the top first. Make sure the plug is locked. Then I'm going to slide the top in. There's 2 points. One is this little water nozzle has to go into this container, clear plastic, and then this cutout should be behind that plastic roller. Okay, and then the bottom goes in. All right, now we're going to install these 3 screws. I'm going to put them on, and then I'm going to tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. And now I'm going to tighten the top one. Now I'm going to install the ice bucket back in. Before doing that, we need to make sure that this coupling is situated the same way as this one on the ice bucket, which is not quite the same. So we're going to turn this way, and now we're going to install it. The top goes first in, and then the bottom goes in, and push it down. Now we need to close and latch the ice door. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.